बहराइच में आईनी गांव में विदेशी शोधकर्ताओं का दो नगर पंचायत कैसरगंज और आईनी गांव में इन दिनों एक खास हलचल देखी जा रही है, जहां दो विदेशी शोधकर्ता गांव के सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक ताने बाने को करीब से समझने के लिए आए हुए हैं। जर्मनी की सरकार शोधकर्ता सारा और स्पेन के अल्फोंसो वर्तमान में हाजी लल्लन साहब के यहाँ ठहरे हुए हैं। इनका ये दौरा हाजी लल्लन साहब के परिवार से जुड़े सद्दाम पुत्र मुफीद अहमद के माध्यम से संभव हुआ, जिनकी इन शोधकर्ताओं से दोस्ती जर्मनी में उच्च शिक्षा के दौरान हुई थी। गांवों के जमीन, जीवन और परंपराओं को समझने के उद्देश्य से ये दोनों अब भारत आए हैं और विशेष रूप से आईनी गांव का दौरा कर रहे हैं। पिछले कुछ दिनों में उन्होंने स्थानीय लोगों से मुलाकात कर उनके रहन सहन, संस्कृति और परंपराओं का गहराई से अध्ययन किया। वे यहाँ 5 दिनों तक रुकने वाले हैं, जिसके दौरान वे विभिन्न सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक विषयों पर शोध करेंगे। गौरतलब है कि इससे पहले ये शोधकर्ता 22 देशों की यात्रा कर चुके हैं और भारत के बारे में उनका अनुभव बेहद सकारात्मक रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि भारत में एकता विविधता का वास्तविक स्वरूप देखने को मिलता है, जो उसे अद्वितीय बनाता है। विदेशी शोधकर्ताओं की इस यात्रा से न केवल आईनी गांव को वैश्विक पहचान मिलेगी, बल्कि स्थानीय लोगों को भी अपनी जीवन शैली और परंपराओं को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दृष्टिकोण से समझने का अवसर मिलेगा।
तहसील कैसरगंज क्षेत्र के ग्राम पंचायत आईनी में मौजूद हो। यहाँ पे जो है हाजी लल्लन हाजी जो है, ये इनके यहाँ जो है अंग्रेज लोग आए हुए हैं। इनसे कुछ जानकारी लेना है कि आपका उद्देश्य क्या है। सर, अपना नाम बताइए।
What is your name?
My name is Alfonso.
His name, इनका नाम अल्फोंसो है। ये स्पेन से आए हुए हैं और ये अभी हमारे गांव ऐनी में आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पे वो देखना चाहते हैं कि ऐनी में किस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं, कैसे यहाँ पे रूरल लाइफ कैसे रही जाती है, वहाँ पे कैसे लोग रहते हैं, उन सब चीज़ों को समझने के लिए आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे हमारे गाँव ऐनी में। और हाजी लल्लन साहब के यहाँ पे ये आए हुए हैं।
बोले फिर इसमें कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
Do you want to anything say about why you came here? What do you just want to? If you want to say anything about it? Okay.
Yeah, we came just for visiting a friend who already was with us in Germany and lived with us, and we have still connection with them. Contact with them are really nice, and we're really good friends. We came and then we went to visit them.
And his family, I would say, right? Like to see like the life of how he lived before, like here in the town, in hometown, and then in Delhi. So it's really different. So it's nice to see and just come out and get the experience what is the rural area and in the city area.
So, like, how do you find it is like very different from the rural area to the cities? Because you have been traveling so many countries, approx you have covered so many countries, like 22 countries you've already covered. So how do you find what is the difference here and with the rest of the other world where you have visited?
That's a really good question. Yeah, I mean, it is what is a common thing. Can I talk about this first?
Yeah.
Like really common thing is the farming, right? That the people farm and the people live with the nature basically. That's what I observe. That's like the common thing. I would say the difference maybe is here are living like a lot of people of like small room, and then in the rest of the world maybe there are less people. But they are equal. I mean, they have also the buildings and they have like the trails, right? They have water. So that's like a lot of things are similar because like the theory is like farming. I would say, right? It's farming. And also like about living like a big family. That I feel like at least like in Europe or the US, like the cities and the families are much smaller and here the families bigger in the communities, you can say. And the most difference is of course like the diversity from the religions and the cultural backgrounds. Yes, I would say.
So when you visited in India, like, and when you visited this place, if you please, you can tell me when you visited, at which date you visited here.
This year?
This time, at this village, yeah. Which date?
2 days ago.
2 days. 2 days ago.
Yeah,
Okay.
2 days
And
ago.
how you are long planning to stay here?
I think we were planning to stay here for 1 week to see more places, like around. And like near also like the Nepal border, like to see really how it is.
Okay. Maybe I just want to know, like, I mean, do you like the place where you just have seen so many things in the village. Do you like the place?
Yes, I really enjoy it. I think it's a really peaceful environment, I would say. It's a nice place to see, and the cultures and the diversity. And we had like the honor to see the Eid.
Eid, yeah.
Yeah, like
so
the-
please
like
just
the-
tell me
like
little
the
about our Eid, because it is just the Muslim festival. It is this you have experienced first time in your whole life. So just please tell me about how you feel after celebrating Eid, because it was yesterday.
Right. It was our first time, so we saw first like the prayers in the morning, and then came a lot of food, right? And then we could visit relatives, so it was a celebration of the community, of relatives, of family. So that's how I would say I discovered that. How about you, Alfonso?
Yeah, Alfonso,
Really
please
nice to
say something
understand
new.
also about culture and how they celebrate those days. It's really important, right? For you, it's also like so nice to stay with you.
मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ ओके ओके सो से धन्यवाद